Beer, it's the drink we reach for after a long day. It's the perfect companion for celebrations big and small. But have you ever wondered how this golden nectar is made? Knowing what goes into your beer elevates the experience. It's like the difference between buying a cake and baking one yourself. You appreciate the craft and the flavors even more. Today, we're going behind the scenes of beer making. We'll learn the steps from the brewery to your kitchen. Get ready to unlock the secrets of this ancient and delicious beverage. Let's raise a glass to the art of brewing and to the journey we're about to embark on together. Making beer is a bit like baking bread. It starts with simple ingredients transformed through a fascinating process. First, we have malting. Barley grains are soaked and allowed to sprout. This awakens enzymes that are crucial for converting starches into sugars. Next comes mashing. The malted barley is crushed and mixed with hot water. This creates a sugary liquid called wort, the base of our beer. Now it's time to boil the wort and add hops. Hops are flowers that give beer its bitterness, aroma, and help preserve it. Finally, the cooled wort meets its destiny, yeast. This is where fermentation begins. Yeast consumes the sugars and produces alcohol and carbon dioxide, the magic bubbles in our beer.
Ready to try this at home? Here's a simple beer recipe to get you started. You'll need 1 gallon of water, 1 pound of malt extract, either light or amber, 1 ounce of hops, choose your favorite variety, 1 packet of ale yeast, and sanitizer for brewing equipment. Instructions. First, sanitize all your equipment. This is crucial for preventing contamination. In a large pot, bring the water to a boil. Stir in the malt extract until it dissolves completely. Add hops to the boiling wort and boil for 60 minutes. Cool the wort down quickly using an ice bath or a wort chiller. Pour the cooled wort into a sanitized fermenter and add the yeast. Seal the fermenter with an airlock. This allows carbon dioxide to escape while preventing contaminants from entering.
Section 4. Bottling your brew. The final steps to homemade beer. After about 2 weeks, fermentation will be complete. Your beer is ready for bottling. First, sanitize your bottles and caps. This is just as important as sanitizing your equipment earlier. Next, prepare a priming solution by dissolving a small amount of sugar in boiling water. This will provide food for the yeast to carbonate the beer in the bottles. Carefully transfer the beer from the fermenter to your sanitized bottles, leaving about an inch of headspace. Finally, cap the bottles tightly and store them at room temperature for about 2 weeks. The beer will carbonate during this time. Section 5. Cheers to you. Time to experiment and share. Congratulations, you've brewed your very own beer. The first sip is always the most rewarding. Remember, this is just a starting point. Experiment with different types of malt extract, hops and yeast to create your own unique brews. Share your creations with friends and family. They'll be amazed by your newfound skills. Cheers to you, home brewer. You've embarked on a journey of flavor and discovery.